Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, Japanese steamed crab eggs, also known as Chawanmushi, which is an elegant and sophisticated appetizer of Japanese cuisine. How to make ingredients. Chicken eggs, 3. Dashi stock, dashi base 400 milliliters fresh crab meat, steamed and removed, 150 grams shiitake mushrooms/straw mushrooms, optional a little. Japanese soy sauce, shoyu 1 teaspoon, mirin wine, optional 1 teaspoon, for a mild sweetness, chopped green onions, cilantro. Decoration, optional steps to make if you do not use ready-made dashi powder. You can cook it from katsuobushi and kombu. Heat water, no need to boil, soak kelp, then remove kelp and add fish flakes, boil for a few minutes, filter to get clear water. Let cool completely. Removed crab meat, divide into 2 parts, 1 part to put in the bowl and 1 part for decoration. Cut shiitake mushrooms into thin slices, blanch in boiling water for 3 minutes. Crack eggs into a bowl, beat gently. Add shoyu soy sauce, mirin wine, a little salt to the cooled dashi broth, stir well. Slowly pour the seasoned dashi mixture into the egg bowl, stir gently to combine. Filter the egg mixture through a sieve. Put half of the crab meat and the ingredients with mushrooms and crab meat at the bottom of each steaming bowl. Slowly pour the filtered egg mixture into the bowl, pour about 3/4 of the cup. Place the egg cups covered with plastic wrap in a steamer. Steam over very low heat for about 12 minutes. The egg is done when you shake the bowl gently, the surface of the egg solidifies. Turn off the stove, leave the egg in the pot for about 2 minutes. Open the lid, remove the plastic wrap, place the remaining crab meat on the surface of the egg for decoration. Sprinkle with green onions/cilantro, optional. Japanese steamed crab eggs, chawanmushi, are served in small bowls, usually served hot. When eating, you will use a spoon to scoop a smooth piece of egg, immediately feel the smoothness, light fat of the egg and the rich sweetness of the dashi broth, mixed with fresh crab meat. Things to note, the ratio of egg and dashi is about 1 to 3 for the egg to have perfect smoothness. The egg mixture must be filtered through a sieve to ensure that the surface of the steamed egg is not pitted. Always steam the egg over low heat. If the heat is too high, the egg will boil, create air bubbles and make the egg pitted, not keeping its smoothness. The dashi stock must be completely cooled before mixing with the eggs to avoid overcooking the eggs. Cover the bowl in the steamer with plastic wrap to prevent the steam from condensing and dripping onto the eggs. Japanese steamed crab eggs, also known as chawanmushi, is an elegant and delicate appetizer of Japanese cuisine. It is characterized by its extremely smooth and silky texture, melting in the mouth like a steamed egg custard. This version is enhanced with the natural sweetness and aroma of crab meat, creating a light, warm, and nutritious culinary experience, suitable for all ages. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Goodbye and wish you a cozy and delicious meal. See you in the next delicious food sharing video.